Hey guys, what's up? Today, welcome back to a new video. And today we have this mouse. This is an old computer mouse and it's non-functional. So today I'm going to open this mouse and then show you what's inside. In this mouse, it's a very simple job. There are 4 screws over here which I'm going to remove with my screwdriver, and once they're done I'm going to continue with show you what's inside. So guys, I've got my screwdriver over here and I'm going to start removing the screws. I'll continue the video when all of them are done. So guys, I've removed all the screws. You can see they're over here, and so to open the mouse I'm first will have to cut the wire, so I'm going to do that with my scissor, and that's done. So guys, now let's see what's inside the mouse, and from this I should move it, and here we are. So as from closer look, you can see that this mouse inside it has this wheel sort of, which we use it for scrolling and all that stuff, and it is attached to some parts which are then attached to the main motherboard over here, the bottom of it, and the other part is just almost empty except for this magnet which gives the mouse its weight. And other than that, I should show you what's inside of this part. Opening this is very easy. It's almost a single pull, except there's a wire here, so you have to cut the wire. That's done. So this is the main motherboard. You can see from a closer look, and it has all those things on it which have programs and all that stuff, plus that wheel which we use as a scroll, and this is something I don't know, and this is the bottom surface of the mouse, and this is the up one. And I'm going to remove this magnet and see what exactly is it. By an easy screw I was also able to remove that, and this is the heavy magnet, so I think it's just for those field and all the stuff, plus giving the weight to the mouse. And so guys, that wraps it up. This was my video of what's inside the mouse. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any ideas, please give them in the comment section, and till then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.